One wrong word. That's all it took to almost get me deported from London forever. I was terrified. Stick around to hear how one simple English mistake almost ruined my life. I finally landed at Heathrow Airport after a 7-hour flight. I was exhausted, my legs were shaking, and the airport was huge. I followed the signs that said arrivals and immigration. The line was endless. While I was waiting, I was practicing my English in my head. I am a student. I am a student. But when it was my turn, I faced a very serious officer. He didn't smile. He just said, "Passport, please." I handed him my passport with sweaty hands. He started asking routine questions. "Officer, where are you staying?" Me, "At the university dormitory." "Officer, how much currency do you have with you?" Me, "About £2,000. Then the big question came, "What is the purpose of your visit?" At that moment, I saw a handsome guy walking behind the officer, and I got distracted. My brain literally froze. Instead of saying study, I said the first word that came to my mind. I am here to work. The atmosphere changed instantly. The officer stopped typing. He leaned forward and asked, "Work? Do you have a work permit?" I realized I messed up, but I made it worse. I said, "Yes, I want a job." The officer's face turned red. He said, "Miss, you are here on a student visa. If you are looking for a job, you are breaking the law. I might have to detain you and send you back on the next flight." I felt like the walls were closing in. I was about to cry. I looked at the officer and said, "Wait, my English is bad. I don't mean a job. I mean research. I have a project. I am doing academic research for my master's degree." The officer stared at me for 10 long seconds. It felt like 10 years. He checked my university papers again. Then he took a deep breath and stamped my passport. "Be very careful with your words, young lady. Welcome to the UK." I walked to the baggage claim, and my heart was still racing. I learned a big lesson. In English, one small mistake can be a disaster.
If you're on a student visa, don't say work, say study. And if you're a tourist, you're here for sightseeing.
So if you have a story, I am all ears. Let us know in the comments below.